Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Cuisinart electric knife. So it is corded, it's got a 5-foot long cord, it's very easy to operate. It's going to cut anytime you're holding the button in. When you want to release the blades, press this button and the blades come out. They come apart very easy. We're going to move it to here. They're very sharp. Put them back together. I like that it's got these little plastic things to kind of hold the blades. And you're going to push it in until they snap. Now they're ready to go again. Okay, so let's practice cutting on some of this summer sausage. They're very sharp, very easy to control. Yep, cuts all the way down to the cutting board. So I really do like these knives and this electric knife set. So when you're all done, it does sit nice and flat. Let's measure the overall length. So right about 18 inches. So this is everything you get in the box. It does not come with a case or a fork. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.